This is It's Cash Card Limited. It's Cash Card happens to be India's financial services wing of the India's premier business conglomerate, SL Group. We know this company by the name of having their ventures in media entertainment by the name of Z News, ZTV, SL Theme Parks, SL Pro Pack. So It's Cash happens to be the financial services wing of the same company. In financial services, we primarily deal with e-commerce solution, and the major product is payment gateway products. So what we have is this is called It's Cash prepaid card. So this gives the benefit to the customer to access all the payment gateway facilities over various channels, various partner platforms. In, for example, booking railway tickets, booking travel tickets, paying utility bills. Dish TV recharges, mobile recharges, you name it, from end-to-end customer base. You have all accesses. This actually is somewhat very analogous to what we do accessing a credit card and a debit card base. But in Indian civilian population, they say only 3 to 4% of people have an access to a credit card or debit card. What about rest 96, 97% of the population? A farmer, a homemaker, a student. So what benefit they can have is this solution, which is called payment gateway solution. Through this It's Cash prepaid card, anybody can have this card, go for an online transaction, e-booking, e-purchase, utility bill payment, and n number of services that are given online. Two ways: on a business to consumer scale, a citizen can have this card and get the facilities, get the transaction done. Otherwise, they can visit our registered franchisees all across India, pan-India, in towns and villages and cities, visit the franchisees, express them their need, whatever online facility they want. If they want to pay their mobile bill or they want to pay the utility bill, our franchisees in turn will get the services done, get the transcripts, the documents, the real-time receipts generated, and give it to the customer. So this is a very techno-savvy solution. Simplicity at its best to all across civilian population, maybe in any part of the India. So It's Cash as a premier business organization with e-commerce solution, in payment gateway, in cash management system, in government to consumer transactions, business to consumer transaction, business to business transaction, gives a wide range of utility, gives a wide range of availability, often as improving bottom lines, of improving day-to-day technological advantage for a citizen to transact online and reach to a better and a more technologically advanced Indian population, Indian citizen, and access all e-commerce solution at irrespective of a demographical or logistical constraints. So you have a power of money, it has to be It's Cash now. Thank you.